Start it for me.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Today we are at
where? I don't know. I don't know how Kevin has that down, bro. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. We have made it to a crazy, probably the most craziest supercar meet I've ever been to. We just got here and we just woke up too. That's why I'm a little low energy, but there is an insane amount of supercars here. I don't think I've ever seen this many supercars in my life in one spot. Look at this. SVJs everywhere. Bro, there's at least like 10 SVJs here, or maybe more, which is actually crazy. Every single spec you could think of too. Got a white one with purple. This one is sick. Satin black with red. Woo. All right, this is the freaking best SVJ I've seen. I swear it's the best SVJ. The satin black with red accents. What's up, bro? Oh my God. And a freaking R8 with the full carbon hood on it. Insane, dude. You guys see what I mean? The whole hood and fenders go to carbon. Well, let's get into the vlog, guys. As you guys can see, a lot of sick cars here. This is ridiculous, bro. I'm kind of like speechless. Me and Kevin were like, bro, I don't even know where to start. There's a parking lot right here, and then there's a whole parking lot over there full of supercars / hypercars. I'm trying to film as much as I can. There's a lot to film. There's a freaking Revolta right there. The brand new Lamborghini. Look, another SVJ. Bro, SVJs are like G80s at this meet right now. There's so many. Crazy.
Everybody has one except for us.
I know, literally. It feels like everyone has one. Bunch of Porsches over here. These are sick. GT2 RS and then 2 GT3 RSs. Wow. That's a sick ass color. I've never seen that color before. All the carbon on there. These are fire, bro. Yeah, I just love this SVJ. Holy crap. With the red interior too. I swear, if I can build an SVJ, guys, from scratch, it would literally be this SVJ. All satin black, red accents, red brake calipers, red interior inside too. Wow. And yeah, this R8's sick. I want one so bad. Supercharged. Here's that crazy 720 that I saw at the last meet. Full carbon fiber, everything. Blue carbon too. Literally blue carbon fiber. It's ridiculous. Look at that. Well, I would actually be scared to drive this one. Not gonna lie. Imagine any little rock chip. Oh, hell no. Guys, we come to a lot of meets. A lot of meets don't really impress us that much anymore. A lot of cars don't impress us, but this meet's actually crazy, right? Because I feel like a lot of meets are like, like we're so used to these cars, but bro, this one's actually crazy.
Yeah, look at this.
I've never seen this many supercars.
Look at the design on this one.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. STO. I like the wheels. And then a freaking full-on race Huracan. God damn, bro. Imagine driving this car. This is ridiculous. It's a full-on race car, bro. This would be so fun to drive. One day I would love to drive one of these. Is it possible to drive one of these, guys? Or like rent it out for a day? I would love to drive this. I swear, this would be like a dream come true to drive one of these things. Look at the headlights. It's so sick. I wonder if you could put those headlights on like the street versions. That would be badass. Holy crap. Bro. Look, there's two of them. Freaking Senna over here. Senna GTR, isn't it? Yeah. Like the crazy one? What the heck, bro? Kevin was like, how much money do you think's in this parking lot right now? Imagine. I think we're close to like $1 billion, bro.
Yeah, probably.
I'm not even joking. Holy crap.
That's insane.
Yeah, this is insane. What's crazy is we're actually going to be in Monterey Car Week next week. We're going, Kevin. And it's going to be a bunch of cars like this. I can't wait. I wonder if some of these cars are going to be there, I'm sure.
For sure.
Another SVJ. That might be the one that we just saw, but there's so many. We saw this thing getting off the freeway. I don't even know what it is, but also full blue carbon fiber, the whole entire body. Even the interior has carbon on it. Look at that. Bro, these cars are insane. Sheesh. Yeah, I don't even know what it is. 1900 horsepower? No way that shit got 2000 horsepower, bro. Like, it's cool to see like the BMW meets, GTR meets, but this is like on another level, bro. Some people don't ever get to see these cars in their lives. Like, look at this. No way, bro. It's ridiculous. Full carbon wheels. Damn. Everything is carbon. It's even shaped like a freaking airplane. Crazy, the Koenigsegg's. Wow,
Crazy thought to say.
that is ridiculous. This is like some Forza shit right here. See, I heard the guy say that. Don't you think it's like $1 billion worth of cars? For sure, bro. This is ridiculous. I know, bro, literally. I feel like I'm in Forza. Like, when do you get to see all this, bro? Blue carbon fiber wheels. Isn't this the one in Forza that you can hit like 300 miles per hour in?
Yeah.
I think it is. I don't even know what to film anymore at this point. I literally don't know what to say, bro. Look at those seats, dude. Interior is crazy. Damn. What the heck? Look at that. These cars are ridiculous, literally. I know the wheels, the arrow. Bro, how much money is here, bro? What do these people have to do for a living? What do you think they do for a living, G?
Not no regular shit. That's for sure.
Like, I don't understand, bro. I don't get it. Wow, look at this thing. I believe it's called a GTR AMG. HRE's on it, I think. I think I just saw him posted today, actually. Sheesh. I guess the guy just bought it. Bro, where are we at? Look at this warehouse. Looks like I'm at Disneyland, bro, or something. That exhaust is ridiculous. What the heck, bro? The cars keep getting crazier and crazier. Full carbon too, the whole entire car. Dude, I don't even know, honestly. Imagine driving this, bro. Look at the front end. I don't even know what this one is, I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea what kind of car this is, but I want it. There's a Pagani over here. I think it's the Zonda, no, or something? The crazy ass one. Full carbon as well. You don't even pick a paint job no more. You just fully spec'd it out on carbon. Exhaust, bro. God damn, I know that shit's for sure loud. What is this place?
It does look like something in Disneyland.
I swear I feel like I'm at Disneyland right now, bro. This is ridiculous. What the heck? I guess it's the Oakley's warehouse. So they got a bunch of sunglasses and stuff like that. It is kind of crazy though, that it looks this insane. Nah, there better not be no snakes, bro. Bro, what the heck? This is like an art piece with the glasses. I don't even know what I'm filming at this point, guys. This is the craziest me I've ever been to. All right, more money out here. Bro, when is it gonna stop, bro? Look at this. Yeah, full carbon Bugatti. That guy owns all of them. All the ones that say Hyper Society on top, he owns all of them. Look, there's another one.
So that
I saw another one somewhere. Yeah, look, there's one over there. He owns all these cars, bro. One guy. That's the crazy part. Not all of them, but the ones with the little stickers. Insane, dude. Look at that full carbon, guys. White one, even white interior as well. The inside and outside literally match. You guys remember when we drove in my boy Lambo, our old Bugatti? That was insane. Literally once in a lifetime opportunity right there too. I'm literally just filming everything at this point. It's crazy. Because I know a lot of people are watching these vlogs right now and probably don't ever get to see these cars in person. Because like I said, even me, bro, I go to so many meets, guys. I'm kind of numb to it. But even this is actually crazy to see. Little sparkles. It might be like the Koenigsegg's. They put like little diamond specks in them. It's crazy, huh? Iced out.
Dude, just Salt Bay on the car, bro.
With a bunch of diamonds. Imagine driving this shit. Bro, this shit probably fun as hell. I don't know. Little battles. Bro, this shit will be fun.
I bet this shit's so fun.
Imagine just see me driving this shit on the freeway.
Watch a video on this. So what they do is they legit take you to their HQ and have you sit in it and make a mold of yourself in the seat.
Oh, so it's like your seat, huh?
It is one of one for you.
Damn. What is that thing, bro? What the heck? What's this shit? Look at the exhaust too. Little exhaust tips.
No, it's the intercooler.
What the heck, bro? Another Revolto. We low-key been seeing them everywhere now. Now we have, bro. I think we've seen like 3 this whole last week.
This shit's so sexy. I didn't even realize this was good.
You know what I want to see? See one in Tiffany blue. That's what I want to see. Mint green? Imagine a mint green one. I could already envision it, bro. This shit'll be insane in mint green. I feel like the bright colors look really good on this car, but look at that. If you guys haven't seen like my last videos, I think I filmed a Revolto in like the past 3 vlogs. It's crazy. We saw the gray one, an orange one yesterday, and then now a yellow one. Super sick. Honestly, my new favorite Lambo, I think, guys. It has to be. Might be a little better than the SVJ, in my opinion. I mean, SVJ is iconic, but I mean, bro, look at how it looks and how it's shaped. Looks like something straight out of the future, bro. Freaking carbon P1. This is sick. I feel it, bro. Damn. Tell me this isn't the craziest vlog you guys ever seen, or the craziest meet I've ever been to. It literally doesn't stop, bro. It does not stop. Another R8. Damn. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? It's ridiculous. Bro, tell me this isn't the craziest meet you've been to.
Monterey is crazy. I can't
Bro, look at these cars, dude.
Yeah, this is the craziest meet of LA.
This is
It's not even
ridiculous.
LA. This is Orange County.
I've never seen this many supercars in one spot, bro.
It's a husband and wife that pulled up together.
What, the Colton?
Wife pulled up in the kids.
No way.
Swear to God, on the rally.
Red SV, gray SVJ, and then a freaking like almost Tiffany blue, kinda SVJ. More like a Miami blue type of vibe, huh? Sick though. I love the red with these wheels. So fire. This one has carbon wheels on it. Look at that. Carbon fiber wheels, guys. You know what else I noticed? Look at that little cup holder. I'm pretty sure it's a cup holder. I don't know what to even say anymore.
My G speechless?
I'm speechless, G. I need a freaking supercar. That is a nice Porsche, bro. Super freaking nice. Look at the wing on it. Pistas. Another freaking SVJ. Bro, I don't know. I don't know what to say, bro. It's ridiculous. I'm telling you, there's like 20 SVJs here. They're everywhere.
Look.
Like every SVJ in Cali is here right now. What? You saw him driving or what?
Yeah, it was rally.
Wow. We should have went there, G. Hey, come on, Kevin. Pink Porsche. Oh, it's actually GG720. Her shit is sick. STO, all black. Another SVJ. Another SVJ. Bro, there's too many. It's literally like a G80 at this point. There's so many SVJs.
G.
I don't even want one. They're played out now, G. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God, bro.
Honestly, this is a Kevin spec though. Orange on orange, SF90.
Wow.
I've never seen that before. Kevin for sure loves this. Bro, Kevin loves orange, guys. His walls in his room are orange, his bed sheets. I know I'm probably repeating myself a lot, saying crazy, insane. I just don't even know what to say, guys. I'm literally lost of words. What's up, bro?
Yo.
How's it going? The R34? Even though there's a bunch of crazy hypercars, R34 still looks good. R35. Remember I wanted you to get this?
Yeah.
I love that.
The orange GTR?
Trump one.
I've seen this one before too. Look how low it is, bro. I also don't know what kind of car this is, but crazy. Look how low to the ground it is, bro. You can literally just walk on it.
The off-roading Lamborghini.
Off-road, G.
Takes it off-road. Look.
I know, it does look dirty. Like he did go off-roading. STO, another one.
All over Nick.
Oh my god. There's a freaking
That literally
Tiffany
is all
GTR?
over you.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Wide body.
Liberty Walk too. Bro, it actually is crazy. Look at that body kit on it. That shit's expensive, bro. Damn.
That's hard as fuck.
Should I do that to my GTR? Sell it? I know.
Go take it to CarMax after.
All over Kevin.
You were gonna say that.
Bro, what is that?
Like that, dude.
He gets VIP parking.
Damn. That shit'll run your little Bronco over. My boy's Ferrari? Let me drive it, bro.
SVJ on the overfill lot.
Yeah, this is like the overfill lot, huh? This is like the cars that didn't make it in the show.
Green SVJs.
And it's still crazy.
600 LT right there.
Damn. That's that twin turbo R8. Gold turbos on it. Dude, I love this Huracan. It's insane. I've seen it before. Crazy. Carbon Kevlar. Is that insane? Super Trofeo kit. And it's painted like this candy red, dude. And yeah, like has carbon Kevlar on there. Wow. This is sick. With BBS's on it. One of my favorite Huracans ever. I totally forgot about this car, bro. He hasn't taken it out in a long time, but literally one of my favorite Huracans ever. Dude, the SVJ's parked way over here. The meat's over there, bro.
These two belong over there.
I know. They're being humble, you know? How many SVJs are here, bro? 30?
9 so far.
Nah, it's more than that, bro. It's at least like 20, I bet. And an STO, another one. But I'm tired of walking.
My stomach's falling.
Not gonna lie, guys, we've only been here for about like an hour. But we've seen everything. But it is so hot.
It's a nice ass color.
I know, that's what I was gonna say. Super sick color. Damn.
That's like car hunters?
Yeah, I was about to tell you. It literally says your Instagram. Car Hunters, G. Bro.
I wish I had that. What the f? It even has an Instagram that says Car Hunters.
Car Hunters. Bro, his 720 is sick. Look at the BBSs on it.
All over Chris. No way.
His Instagram, Car Hunters. Yeah, that SVJ is sick.
This is the best.
Matte
I love
blue
this back right here.
paint.
I'm taking this one.
Yeah, me too.
Really?
Very nice.
I love blue.
I think I'm still gonna take that black one we saw
Very nice.
when we first got here.
This is a good spec.
Everyone, dude, we could all have our dream SVJs
Frozen
today.
blue.
STO.
How many STOs and SVJs have we seen? Oh, that's a look at the wing on there.
I know. All right, I think we're already leaving the meet, guys. It's way too hot. Bro, I'm literally wet, bro. Sweat. Kevin wore pants. It was a really cool meet. It's just way too hot outside, guys.
Just finished up lunch at Javier's, and now look what we have, guys. SVJ. Oh my god, guys, this is exactly what I want.
Look at all these cars. We're really in the big body right now, trying to keep up.
I'll run over all these motherfuckers, bro. Run them all over.
We're really cruising all the supercars today. This whole vlog is supercars. That's just manual, bro. She can drive better than you, G. Manual.
I know.
That actually sounds sick though. That's another piece though. But where we at, G?
Greatest place on earth. It's
Kevin's favorite
Disneyland
spot.
for adults.
We are on Rodeo. We're still in the Bronco with all the supercars. I should go get my car. Now I feel like getting my car. I want to cruise with them. Check this out. I posted it. It's for sale. I really did it, bro. You know why I posted it today? After seeing all these supercars. I was like, today has to be the day, guys. I need to just do it so I can hurry up and get an R8.
Nick was fed up, guys.
I'm done, bro. Sorry to the GTR, but it's time for something new. I mean, dude, just driving next to the R8 this whole time, I was just looking at it. I'm like, damn, I need that car. And it's gonna be packed today, huh? Because it's the weekend. 720 R8 GT Turbo S GT4. Bro, let's take this roof off.
No, man. Stop, bro. Where are we gonna put it?
Right here.
Where, on your lap?
Yeah.
Bro, leave it. You're so dumb, bro. You're literally making no sense. We'll do it later when summer starts.
It's freaking summer, bro.
No, it's
Put it
not.
right here.
It's gonna scratch the seats, bro.
No, it won't, bro.
Stop.
What side goes first?
I don't even know.
I think it's your side.
No, I don't think so.
No.
Fuck, bro. There's so many
What?
cool cars on Rodeo.
What were you gonna say, G?
Cool cars,
Tell
man.
the people what you're gonna say. Look at him.
Actually, bad,
Kevin's on the hunt. You think I should buy an AP?
Yes, let's go right
I'm down, bro. Let's go buy one right now. Look at everyone recording. Everybody's recording the supercars. Look how crazy everyone gets for the supercars. Everyone's taking pictures, bro. Orange.
Yours perf with the carbon
Perf.
hood and roof.
You know already?
Yes.
Ooh, orange shirt. It's Kevin's literally dream car right there. I told the vlog that you have orange walls in your room. And bed sheets.
Stop, man.
And underwear, G.
Did you tell me about my orange towels, like my showering towels?
Orange pillows. You have orange socks?
Huh?
What are you looking at, bro?
The car, it's a sick ass color in it.
You have orange socks? For real?
Dude, they're Polo Ralph Lauren, the orange.
Alright, dude. Bro, what's on fire? Look at this. I don't think it's on the freeway, bro. Oh.
Fire off the side of the freeway.
Yeah, it's off the side of the freeway. Dude, that's insane. Look at that. Should we go look?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.